Apex canine in the North American ecosystem. In the intricate tapestry of nature, the relationship between humans and predators has been woven across epochs, leaving indelible marks on ecosystems worldwide. From the annals of prehistory to the modern-day conservation frontier, the trajectory of predator populations reflects a profound interplay between human civilization, ecological transitions, and the imperative to preserve biodiversity. The late Pleistocene and early Holocene epochs stand as pivotal chapters in this narrative, marked by the emergence of Homo sapiens and the enigmatic disappearance of megafauna. As our ancestors traversed continents, their presence reverberated through the landscape, ushering in an era of unprecedented ecological change. The demise of mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and other iconic giants, often attributed to hunting pressures and habitat alteration wrought by human hands, catalyzed a cascade of extinctions that reshaped ecosystems on a global scale. Amidst the fading echoes of megafauna, the stage was set for a dramatic shift in predator dynamics. Once dominated by apex predators such as the formidable dire wolf and majestic saber-toothed cat, the ecological landscape underwent a profound transformation. In the wake of megafaunal extinctions, vacant ecological niches beckoned to smaller predators, beckoning them to assume newfound roles as stewards of the land. Enter the timber wolf, a species whose journey through time mirrors the ebb and flow of ecological fortunes. Once relegated to the margins by larger predators, the timber wolf seized the opportunity presented by shifting ecosystems, rising to prominence as an apex predator in its own right. With adaptability as its ally, the timber wolf expanded its range, carving out territories once ruled by its larger predecessors. Yet, as the timber wolf ascended to the throne of the apex predator, its story became intertwined with the broader narrative of conservation. In the delicate dance of ecological balance, top predators like the timber wolf serve as linchpins, regulating prey populations and shaping the very fabric of ecosystems. The conservation imperative becomes clear: to safeguard biodiversity and ensure the resilience of ecosystems, we must prioritize the protection of these keystone species. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving top predators are multifaceted endeavors, encompassing habitat protection, conflict mitigation strategies, and collaborative management approaches. From the rugged expanses of wilderness to the fringes of human settlements, the conservation call echoes far and wide, summoning stewards of the land to heed the clarion call of ecological stewardship. Yet, amidst the grandeur of conservation endeavors, the specter of human-wildlife conflict looms large. In regions where predator populations intersect with human domains, tensions often simmer beneath the surface, fueled by concerns over predation on livestock and pets. The path to coexistence is fraught with challenges, yet it is a journey that must be undertaken with resolve and empathy, balancing the needs of wildlife conservation with human interests and safety. In North America today, the landscape is home to a diverse array of canine species other than timber wolves such as coyotes and foxes. In addition to the Canidae family, several other species in North America play similar ecological roles to coyotes and foxes. Raccoons are highly adaptable omnivores known for scavenging human resources in urban and rural environments. Skunks, with their varied diet and nocturnal habits, and possums, recognized as generalist scavengers, also contribute to ecosystem functioning through their opportunistic feeding behaviors. American martens, skilled hunters of small mammals and birds in forested habitats, further enrich the diversity of species occupying similar niches to coyotes and foxes, collectively contributing to the balance and resilience of North American ecosystems. Species like the coyote and raccoon are more adaptable and opportunistic in their dietary habits. Coyotes exhibit a diverse diet, including small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and carrion. Their omnivorous nature allows coyotes to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from rural areas to urban environments. While coyotes play important roles in regulating prey populations and scavenging carrion, they are sometimes perceived as pests due to their occasional predation on livestock and pets. Timber wolves, with their formidable size and pack-based hunting strategies, play a regulatory role as an apex predator in many ecosystems. Timber wolves typically prey on large ungulates such as deer and moose, exerting top-down pressure on prey populations and influencing ecosystem dynamics. Due to their position at the top of the food chain, timber wolves are often afforded greater protection under conservation laws and regulations compared to smaller canids. The ecological positioning of timber wolves as apex predators confers certain advantages in terms of conservation status. As keystone species, timber wolves have a disproportionate impact on ecosystem structure and function, making their conservation a priority for maintaining ecological balance. Additionally, timber wolves often require larger territories and intact habitats to support viable populations, leading to greater emphasis on habitat protection and landscape-level conservation efforts. While smaller canids like coyotes may be more resilient to habitat fragmentation and human disturbance due to their adaptability and generalist diet. While coyotes may face persecution in certain areas due to conflicts with humans, their widespread distribution and flexible ecology may result in differing conservation priorities compared to timber wolves. Overall, the protection of timber wolves reflects not only their ecological importance as apex predators but also the recognition of their specialized dietary habits, habitat requirements, and conservation needs. By understanding the unique roles of different canid species in North American ecosystems, conservation efforts can be tailored to address the specific challenges and opportunities presented by each species, ultimately contributing to the preservation of biodiversity and ecological resilience. As we navigate the labyrinthine corridors of ecological change, the lessons of the past guide our steps toward a sustainable future. From the ancient echoes of megafauna extinctions to the modern-day challenges of conservation, the evolution of predator dynamics serves as a poignant reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. By embracing the mantle of stewardship and championing the cause of conservation, we can forge a path toward a future where predators roam free and ecosystems thrive in harmony with humanity.